Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to install the Chrome Deletes for the Honda CR-V 2022. So it's going to be the installation for the front grille. Link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. Okay, so before doing the installation, we want to prep the panels. So just apply slip solution onto your towel and then just clean off the chrome panel that we're going to be installing. So for the front, it's just going to be these two sections. So let's just clean each section. Okay, so with this one, we're going to start off by aligning it on this edge first. And then the same steps that we do for this piece, it will just be rinse and repeat to complete to this end, since they're both the same thing. So just with this one, place it down and start by aligning it right on the edge here. If you do happen to have a little bit of excess material for this piece, that's fine because you're able to tuck in inside here. So just tack it down. And then like I said, if you do have material that's tacking or sticking to this end, you just tuck it in inside. But for right now, it's just more finishing off the piece. So just go based on the alignment of the grill. And this one does have a cutout here because of the curve. So the material is going to overlap right here. So just help it and then continue on. And if you need to reset, just make sure you lift the film. Don't pull it because you might tear it accidentally. And just continue. And you continue. And you finish it off by aligning the rest. And with this one right here, we're going to help the film tack down in the middle first. So if you need to reset and lift it, you can. So just follow the line, the body line of the grill here. Make sure the middle is tacked down. And now that we have this section tacked down, we can start bringing it down and helping the material mold to the curve here. And then we just finish it off by squeegeeing the rest and then applying heat wherever we need to apply heat. So for example, right here with the curve, we're just going to apply a little bit of heat just to help the adhesive activate and help the film go underneath the curve here. And then once you finish installing everything, just go around, heat up all the edges once more. If you see that some of the areas have excess material, just remove them with your blade. And if you're able to tuck in, just tuck in. But other than that, you're basically done. And you just rinse and repeat the same steps that we did here for the other side. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the Chrome Deletes for each section of the vehicle. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to give a video a like, make sure you subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.